Hey guys, today I'm going to be just doing a quick overview of the Duct-Aid EDC first aid kit. So it's 74 different items in this little package. Not many first aid kits come this small. So this is what it looks like out of the package. It's got this nice little cinch strap. It's got a carabiner. You can hook it to your bag or whatever you need. So this is everything laid out. We'll go through everything it comes with. It comes with 2 bags, which would probably be good for disposing of your gloves. It also comes with 2 different pairs of gloves. You want to be wearing gloves if you have to administer first aid on somebody else, because you never know what kind of bloodborne pathogens or anything they may have. It also comes with this dressing tape. The tape is pre-sectioned for different uses. So we've got like butterfly fingertips, butterfly small field dressing, medium dressing, and then different things. You could also use this to repair something if you were in a pinch. Lots of different uses for, it's essentially duct tape. So next we're going to go through everything that comes in this roll-up. We've got ibuprofen, acetaminophen, allergy medications, antidiarrheal, aspirin, skin tack, scissors. It's just like rolled up cotton so that you could put this on top of a bandage. It'll soak up any fluids that may come out. A soap wipe, alcohol pad, antibacterial wipes, antibiotic ointment, and burn cream. And then on the side here, we've got small spatula splint, lancet, tweezers, safety pins, moleskin, single-use irrigation system, clotting agent, puncture wound, nasal puncture wound, personal meds, which these are for if you have your own meds, you can put them in there. So if you have like diabetes or something else you may need something for. We've got a large wound dressing, gauze pads, and non-adherable pads. So that means this is not sticky. It's also got an area where you can go to get refills for this kit. All right, I'm going to go over some of the items that may not be familiar. So this splint here would be good for if you have a broken finger. You can splint the finger and wrap, things around it to stabilize the finger. The lancet would be good if you need to cut something for some reason. Tweezers, that's pretty obvious. Safety pin, that's obvious. Moleskin. Moleskin is like this material. The thing I've used these for is when you have a blister, maybe on the bottom of your foot or on your hand or something, you can put the moleskin over it and it will, help not be so sensitive. The single-use irrigation system, it actually comes with 2 of them in here. And this is, you can fill this with water and then cut this end off and squeeze it, and that will allow you to have pressurized water to flush out a wound. The clotting agent, pretty obvious. So the puncture wound would be for if you were to get like a stick or something through your hand or foot, you would be able to plug the hole with this. Generally, it's not advised to remove something like that. Same deal with the nasal, it's just a smaller one. Personal meds, it's pretty obvious. And then the rest of these, I think you guys can all figure them out if you're in the market for one of these. I think you guys can figure out what all the other uses are for, but what I like about this kit is it's small and you can keep it on a motorcycle or you can keep it in your bag if you're going hiking or camping, stuff like that. It doesn't take up a bunch of space.